I've been staring at those radiant skin transformations on my feed for weeks now, and frankly, the sheer volume of these ads finally wore me down. You know the ones. Perfect lighting, dewy skin, and bold claims about clinical grade results that seem almost too good to be true. It's for a product called Seranova, and I decided to stop scrolling and start digging into what is actually inside that bottle. On the surface, the ingredient list holds up better than I expected. We are talking about peptides and hyaluronic acid. These aren't just trendy buzzwords that sound fancy in a commercial. Hyaluronic acid is one of the most researched hydration actives in the entire field of dermatology. It acts like a moisture magnet for your skin. It is literally one of the most studied substances out there for surface hydration. Then you have the peptides, which have genuine published support for helping with collagen signaling. I was actually surprised to see that the formula isn't just a bottle of filler and water. Many users are reporting smoother, more hydrated skin in the short term. The product doesn't seem to be lying about its basic moisturizing capabilities. But that is where the honeymoon phase ends. When a brand starts throwing around terms like clinical grade or dermatologist approved without linking to a specific independent study, your internal alarm should go off. Marketing language is a very powerful tool. It makes a product feel scientific when it is really just a polished sales pitch. I searched for data. There is no public independent clinical trial data for this specific formulation. Not a single named clinician is attached to these claims. Then we have to talk about the price tag. You are looking at $80 or $90 for a single bottle. That is a premium price for ingredients you can find in serums that cost a third of that amount. You are paying for the fancy packaging and the massive ad budget that put it in your feed in the first place. However, the real story isn't just the serum itself. It is the business model hiding behind a free trial offer. That trial is an entry point into a recurring subscription that many people didn't realize they were signing up for until the charges hit their bank accounts. The Federal Trade Commission has very specific rules about this kind of negative option marketing. Companies are legally required to be crystal clear about these charges. Yet, if you look at sites like Trustpilot or the Better Business Bureau, you see a massive pattern of consistent complaints. People are struggling to reach customer support. They are getting charged even after they send cancellation requests. It is a classic high-friction process designed to make you give up and keep paying. It's frustrating because the formula might actually be decent, but the way it is sold feels like a calculated trap. If you really want to try it, you have to read every single line on that checkout page. Do not skip the fine print. Know exactly how to cancel before you even think about hitting the buy button. For anyone who wants a routine without the billing surprises, I would point you toward brands with one-time purchase options first. The truth is always way more interesting than the marketing makes it out to be. You deserve to know where your money is going. If you see a deal that looks too good to be true, it usually is, especially when it involves a subscription you never asked for. Stick to the brands that are transparent about their costs and their science. Your skin and your bank account will both be much happier in the long run. There is no reason to risk a billing nightmare just for some basic hydration. Plenty of honest companies sell the same ingredients without the hidden fees.